modernization program? Is it lagging behind or you're at par with the schedule?
Sir, I believe it's at par with the recent involvement of all the whole of government approach, sir, especially on the focusing on its budget. So the programs of all armed forces are being met right now, sir.
But there are delays in the procurement, di ba? So what are the causes of the delay in the procurement of equipment? Kasi yung budget, walang problema. We've been appropriating funds for the modernization. But it seems that, you cannot catch up with the appropriations given by Congress. So ano yung mga problema?
Sir, I believe it's more of the growing political dynamic, geopolitical dynamics in other areas of the world, especially on the partnerships of our government to government. It's primarily on defense, sir.
So isn't the present Government Procurement Act a problem? Kasi may mga delay sa mga biddings, di ba?
Yes, sir. Previously there were, but I believe it's already been
Addressed.
addressed and rectified, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. That's all.
Thank you, Honorable Lacson. Honorable Amy Marcos.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes, Captain Pilar. I just wanted to inquire. There are several mentions in your data sheet regarding the BRP ang Pangulo, the ACS 25. Is that the old presidential yacht? Yes, it's just a sentimental question. What's happened to it since? Since you apparently have been in charge for a long period from 2021 to 2022, even 2024, I believe you received the Distinguished Service Star specifically for the same boat.
Thank you, Your Honor. When I assumed the command of the BRP ang Pangulo, it was on the pandemic time and it was converted to an hospital ship as directed by the former president. And we reconfigured it to house patients. Especially, it was used during the Typhoon Odette, wherein it was very helpful and beneficial during the disaster response and providing medical and